explore a little bit of ideas how you can easily write a good research paper, a quality research paper. Then you can go for the better easily, maybe not more than easily, with some of the tips, maybe the tricks what I actually even I'm following for the publication side and all. Maybe that also I'll just share with all of you. Okay, I'll just start sharing with my PPT. Just a second. Yeah, I think just started my PPT. Hope is it visible to all of you? Okay. So, yeah. So even today, maybe the artificial intelligence, how we can maybe it's available with the hands with us, how we can use it maybe in a best way to whatever write a best quality papers, research papers, with the minimize of the plagiarism kind of a thing and all. How we can easily publish all those small tips. Maybe this particular session will takes. Definitely, what happened is a very powerful tool. We all of us knows that, but only thing is right sense. What happened we need to use. So already even I told about ethical things and all in the previous session. Even I'm not going to touch all those things today. So application side, maybe first part we can see about the literature review. Maybe a lot of literature review AI generated kind of things are available actually. Even for example, if you go to the Perplexity AI currently and all, specifically one segment title, if you ask, you want proper 5 to 6 or 10 kind of a literature review in what format, maybe what kind of a citation if you want, and you want reference also, which style of reference if you want. If you mostly what happen, it will give you authentically. Even Gemini AI and all, it's providing in a best way. Even Microsoft Copilot and all is providing in a best way. I think there is a challenge with the another general two AI platforms. What we use it for the review kind of a thing. That is one is a Chat GPT, second is a DeepSeek. Most of the time, it will give you the references. If you go and check with the references, those kind of a papers are generally what happen. It's not available in any website kind of a thing. So little careful about any automation if you are doing with the literature review. Actually, like a size space, illicit, conscientious, even like a research rabbit, these kind of platforms are available. What happen you can capture the literature review and you can get. But my challenge is actually what happen the quality literature. If you want to put in your paper, actually it should be in a proper segmentation, heading wise. Actually, you should write. And actually, even if you go for a journal, suppose most of the journal nowadays, what happen, there is a long queue. They're standing for the publication site. Even generally, even the quality paper, even we throw also, it will takes even getting the publication minimum like a 2.5 years kind of thing. Even 1.5 years, 2 years kind of a thing and all it takes. Almost, even if you ask me, also mine almost like a 16 papers are in journal. Already they are accepted, desk level they are accepted, but publication still it is going with the two review, three review, even after the review, like even major review or minor review. Again, what I mean, we need to correct and send. Again, it is going for a review. Then it will come with the proofreading. The time to get published, if you look about that, automatically what I mean, it's a little longer time. Even normally, what I mean, even if you publish with a normal journal kind of a thing, it's not a value addition. Either you need to target like a the Q1 journal, even A category or a B category. A star is a very difficult. I think we know there is some game they are playing actually behind that we no need to discuss today also. But if we can target some good A category journal or a B category journal and all, there what happened, it's take a long time for them. Even I follow the one trick for easily to avoid the disk rejections. Maybe I will tell you what it is and all by only by the review of literature and citing the journal papers. For example, suppose when I going to present with the Springer, okay, I'll just share you the stop sharing this. What kind of a trick I will follow, I will show you that. See, actually, Now see, this is my chat GPT screen actually. Now here I what I mean, one particular research title I segmented the review headings and all I segmented. So this is one of my segmentation of the head. Gamification in the higher education and management learning. Second is the artificial intelligence and technology in enhancement of learning. And third, actually, the AI powered gamification and adaptive like this. So these type of titles only what I mean I'm going to put in my literature. So this level, maybe under this only I'm going to cover all my literature kind of a thing. If suppose for example this is my literature heading, okay, so just see this I will copy this gamification, I will copy from this heading, I will copy, okay, I will copy, I will immediately what I mean I will go to the mm, just a second. I'll go to the Springer page. I think you know it's very difficult to share the screen with the Google Classroom. Google actually this place actually. Okay. Okay. Now this is a Springer journal. Suppose I'm targeting the Springer kind of a thing. Okay. Here what I will do. Just a second. Here you can see there is a search button. Mostly from here only I will find which journal I can throw after abstract and all. But before that, what I will do, I will put the search. Hope the search box is visible, all of you. Now see in the search, actually we can, there is a word called search by keyword or author. Here I can paste the particular heading, gamification in higher education and management learning. Okay, now I'll start and search. Now, once I start and search, now see that related how gamification boosts learning in STEM and gamification in higher education. Now, these kind of articles I can get from only from the Springer publication. So these kind of articles sometimes it's open access there. I can open and read it. So these articles, what I mean, I will refer in my paper. I will cite these papers in my what I mean paper. So once almost like some 10 or 15 papers from the Springer publication of this only, when I am marking as a reference in the paper, after that, when I send to the journal like a Springer Q1 kind of a thing, my rejection rate will come down. So automatically disk rejections I can 100% I can easily what avoid. This is the one of the easiest trick for them. So even same time I will do like that. Even the same paper, maybe for example I required some 30 references or 30 literature I'm going to cover means I will maybe make it like a split of classification of this 10 from Springer and 10 from Wiley and 10 from Emerald. These level what happen I will take the literature, then I'll mix it and put, and same time when my paper is ready means I will send it to all these three publications, and whose fastly disk acceptance they are giving, maybe that I will take a lead and I will follow it. So that level what I mean it makes become I can get a little what I mean disk rejections and all I can avoid. My paper can be what I mean easily accepted. Even actually there is an option of size space is available. Okay, the size space kind of uh, literatures are available, maybe that we can use it in the maybe like a ABDC, like a C category journal kind of a thing. Wherever if you want you can use, I'll just show you that also how you can use a size space and all. Same size space I will share. Now this is a size space platform. You can, I think it's visible to all of you. Okay, now see, just I opened it. Okay, now the size space comes maybe same kind of a headings only I will use it for writing my paper and all. Okay, I will paste here the paste my the gamification and higher education search. Okay, because I'm using continuously, so it asks me to the login kind of a thing and all. Just a second, I will. Now I will. Actually, all these A platforms, what I'm showing like this is a free for you. Okay, so you can use in a better way. Now see, it will provide you the Just a second. I think something has happened here. Okay, the search box I will paste. No results. I think 1 second. Oh, I will do a deep search. Even nowadays, most of the free people and all they are moving to the what I mean the paid kind of a versions and all. So we need to be little careful with that. Okay, I don't know something happened the size space side. Okay, and maybe another one I will try like a illicit kind of a thing. Okay, again everything will ask about the sign in kind of a thing. We can use it with our Google accounts. Okay, we can paste our the title. Now see at most we can easily what I mean get the papers like that. If for example, if your paper suit, that means what I mean it will show the abstract summary. In case if your paper is not suitable, things are available, it won't show you that. And second thing, maybe from here what I mean you can see the full paper, is it available or not, even DOI number, citations kind of a thing. All those things are all possible with this kind of a platforms. Okay, so this also you can use, but basically what I mean my suggestion is, suppose if you want to write a literature review more than depending on this automated thing and all, see now already we got a top 4 paper citation also. Even if you click this, it will show you the entire paper. If you want the source of it open, we can open the source also. It will be shows about the where this paper is taken, semantic scholar it is taken. If you want citation also available here. What format if you want? APA format means this APA format. So simply what happen, you can copy paste that. So this way what happen, your literature job and reference in the paper will easily get work will be get over, right? I'll just stop sharing. I'll continue with my PPT. So we discussed about the automation of the literature review and the data analysis. Actually, I cannot do the complete data analysis in a 1 day, maybe the 1 hour session kind of a thing is not easy for me. But mostly nowadays, what I mean, the data analysis. See, if you look, generally what I mean, we in our social science papers and all, we are using only the basic statistical analysis like a chi-square, ANOVA, basic regression, correlation. Okay, these kind of analysis only we are putting and sending to the publishers. Nowadays, they're all outdated. They want some advanced analysis in the paper. Even any theme is there, even you have a social science theme or a humanities theme or maybe your background of any science related. Now you can apply a lot of machine learning techniques in your paper. Maybe the question may comes to all of you, sir, how I can find what is a machine learning technique, how I can learn and how I can use it. Even I will tell you one, frankly, one thing actually, even I don't know machine learning. Even actually, I'm not a technical guy. Even actually, I'm a management guy, finance side, actually my profession. But almost like last 30 papers, I used the machine learning technique. Even I got like a 12 papers published with IEEE publications kind of a thing. So that is one of the easiest way to what publish that also. There I used all our social science theme only, in including analysis I did with the machine learning. You can use with the chat GPT, you can ask. Instead of I'm using statistical technique, what kind of a machine learning technique I can use? It will tell you. So what variable, which variable to which variable, what kind of a techniques you can use. And second, basically the machine learning required Python code. The Python code and all what happened, you no need to know, I think there is no need a basic knowledge of Python code. Even if you ask with the chat GPT only will give you the code based on your data. Then simple actually with a lot of open access free Python platforms are there you can what happen run all those things. So that way what happen it become very easy. Even I will show you some sample here. even what I used in my place and all. Google Colab. Just open just a second, because I'm going little multiple screen to share and show you all these kind of a thing. Now you can able to see my Google okay collab kind of a account. Already all my worked files and all saved here. Maybe many files I did here. I'll just show you some one or two actually for all of you. See, this is a one kind of a paper analysis completely we are done. It's a green investment related paper. The entire analysis done with the help of what? The Google Colab, the Python codes and all. See, actually, my file was connected with my Google Drive. Then my file also already uploaded in Drive was connected here. My this is my entire data sets, primary data. So 384 is a sample size. All 384 data with the variable properly from Excel sheet to what? Here it is loaded. Now see, I need a basic analysis. For example, I need a descriptive code analysis. I'm just even actually here we have a one advantage is we have a generative AI, because here itself Gemini AI was there. Simple, we can write this particular analysis I want for this variables, and specifically we can say the results we need in a table format and what kind of a chart and all. So I picked actually, I need a age, gender, education, income level, employment status, these variables. I need a descriptive statistics and the results in the table format and the blocks plot kind of a thing. Now see, even I got the entire results as a descriptive statistics like this. Even I got a frequency tables also. Even this also I can use. Even I got a box plot kind of a thing diagram also. Similarly, you can see maybe suppose I'm not happy with this. Even I will show you some more thing. Even sky square I tried here. Okay, see my sky square results are coming like this. So for each variable, what is my sky score, what is the p-value, what is the degree of freedom, this I can copy and paste in my results. Okay, then this kind of a beautiful charts and all what I mean, we can easily generate with the Google Colab. Even for example, this chart alignment was not happy for me, because three charts in one row, two is in the another row. So I want in a one row all the five charts. See, now I got it all five. Even some places what I mean, even I want something extra I'm doing. So even I want exploratory factor analysis, EFA. Even I tried here. See, my results came here. What is the factor and what is the factor to loadings and all. And based on the loading, whatever I got a heat map kind of a things and all. So these kind of a little advanced analysis. See, this is a factor loading, one more different kind of a chart actually. Okay, so these kind of a different advanced kind of analysis. See, multinomial logistic regression, not the normal regression, little above level advanced one I tried here. So I got the similar kind of a regression table. Now the chart also looks like a different one. So even suppose multiple times what happened, we need to learn all these things. Maybe soon I'm going to start with the one YouTube channel for how we can do the data analysis like this and all. Okay, maybe there, maybe once it's good, I will share with this organizers through that. Maybe you can also start watch. So these kind of a different kind of a charts and all, if you put in your paper, it's look like a little advanced level you're doing your paper, not with the normal level of analysis. So please stop generally using the statistical basic analysis. What happened now, people are looking about the little high accuracy of the results. Maybe you can ask me, so why they are using machine learning? Even more than machine learning, now people have started and using deep learning. So if you use machine learning or a deep learning technique in your paper, the results accuracy will come more. That is a important thing. That level only what happened, they started and looking the data analysis part. Even the structural equation model, if people are using, generally people will use the Amos is the one of the platforms, second is the PLS. But actually what happened now, both actually little what happened outdated. Even those kind of analysis they are not looking here. Even more than that, even R programming actually they are taking a low. Even I'll show you one thing called lang test shiny. I think, see, this lang text is a one platform. It is very easy to what do the structural equation. Okay, somebody asked me in the last class also, sir, how I can do my structural equation model, sem model and all, it will easily see this lang test is one of the platform. Structural equation model was already there, developed like a ready-madely, that just if you feed your data you can get the results. Okay, a sample also available there. How you can use that also I will explain. See, now this is a data place. This data place they are given midterm marks, final marks, quiz marks, exam 1, 2, 3 kind of a marks. This entire data, what you can do, you can select and replace with your data. So only thing is this. Once if you replace this data, the secondly what happen, you need to specify the model. For example, you are mentioning achievement. Achievement means what? For example, see, there's a regression model. Final model is a proficiency and achievement is a regression model. Now, before that, achievement is defined by the what? Here, midterm and final and quiz. Proficiency was maybe based on the what? Exam 1, exam 2, exam 3. Even if you are getting confused how to specify the model, even depends upon the your construct. If you put with chat gpt, it will tell you what is your latent variable, what is your regression also. So there also what happen, you can create and paste here. Once if you do this two steps only, data pasting, then model specification, you will get the basic statistics, results automatically will come, correlation automatically will come, scatter plotter automatically will come, then sem model results will come. Even though the p value what happens sometime, in Amazon what happens, suppose you're not able to reach the CFI level and all. Okay, now the CFA level is 1, it shows. It is less than something means it won't show you the what? Model fit and all, it won't give you the result. But even though model fit is not there, all the results will come. Then two diagrams. You want two diagrams, no? One is a path diagram. Second, what a path diagram is a unstandardized and standardized with regression value, all will come. So this can be used. Maybe you can learn this in 5 to 6 minutes actually. If you want, maybe I will just show you the demo. Even I have a data with me. Okay, I'll just a second. One second. Actually, I have a data. Yeah, I'm just copying this data. Okay, just see, this is my data point. I already removed all the datas. Now this is a model, actually I developed it. Okay, for this model this will be the complete data point. It starts with RT and all kind of a thing. Even it's related to one wellness paper kind of a thing. Okay, the model also what happened, I already developed with the help of chat gpt. Maybe I will show you that maybe later point. Just a second. I think the file, I think I'm still confused in selecting. Okay, I'll just a second. I'll stop sharing the data. I'll show you what actually the model I developed and how I am getting the specification of the model and all. Okay. Okay. Okay, hope you can visible my word sheet actually. So this is my model. The model is actually from the behavioral finance theory and the psychological well-being model. Okay, the two maybe the two combination. What I mean, it's adopted model. So generally, what I mean, we will use the previously somebody created the entire model in our paper. That also nowadays they are not accepting. So multiple model, what I mean, you should make a combination and you should use like a adopted model in a paper. That kind of a papers only will be help you for the publication. Maybe you might have a question how I can frame this kind of a model. ChatGPT will help you. You can put, even for this particular objective I need a model, I need a construct, even like variables or indicators. With the source, if you ask, it will provide you with this kind of all informations. From that, what happen, you can frame your hypothesis. Then this is my model diagram actually. This model diagram how I made, I will tell you. Even there is a particular website called Mermaid. Mermaid is there. Even already in my blog page, I already given that. Even you can take this hypothesis, just you copy this hypothesis, give it to ChatGPT. I need a Mermaid code for a flow chart. Then this kind of a beautiful what happen, your model diagram you can develop. Now your hypothesis is this. I just see I'm copying this. Okay, I will just stop share here. I'll go to my chat GPT. I will go to my chat GPT. Okay, now here see, now I want to test. Okay, now here I want to get the 11 actually. One is a regression, second one is for the model like a latent variables. Okay, so I will ask provide latent variables and regression, okay, for Lavan from the following. So Lavan is the actually the basic of the R programming. Now see, I'll just say enter. Now automatically it's give me the model structure and allow. See, the risk tolerance is already what I put RT1, RT2, RT3, even financial literacy, FL1 kind of a thing. This automatically, this is my entire thing. Now see, I got the structural model thing kind of things. This latent variable as well as with my regression this. I'll just copy this. Okay. Now I will go to that lang test what I showed you in the time. Okay, that is lang test. Lang test. Okay. Now in this lang test, I copy pasted my data first. Then this particular page, what I mean, this entire latent variable and regression, I am just what I mean replaced with what actually done from the chat GPT. After that, you can see there is a green kind of a line came. It is updating. Now see, my model was developed. My the basic statistics earlier is different. Now you can see based on my data, the basic statistics is visible, correlation also visible, scatter plot, entire results. Now see, my CFI was, my p value was zeros. Definitely it's a model fit was there. Okay, only thing is my CFI was not that level great. Actually normally they say it should be greater than 9 kind of a thing. It is close to what I mean 0.845. So it is a average, it is accepted model only kind of a thing. Okay, so by this results only what I mean we can easily what I mean complete our SEM model. Maybe you learn the SEM model how you can use with the lang test and all. Okay, you can try with 1 or 2 times with this. Maybe definitely easily what happen by self only you can learn this structural equation model like that. So this kind of a level, if you are maybe you can put in your paper. And one more thing in your methodology, kindly mention you are using what I mean R programming for the structural equation model. Okay, that is very very important. Generally what kind of a techniques and all you're using. Suppose you're using machine learning means Python means you need to mention for a Python and or machine learning and all these analyzed and all tested with the help of what Python kind of a thing, that you need to mention where you're using all those things. Okay, so that is very very important. So maybe that is a more major important points from the analysis perspective. Now again I will go back to the PPT kind of a thing. I think I'm doing simultaneously both, so then only it will understandable. So research collaboration, that is very very important. Actually, even almost I have a 4 to 5 foreign authors collaboration with me nowadays. At least what happened, those who are already published the paper, maybe their paper I will take and do the extension study. Then after that, what happened, definitely easily I can get their mail IDs by their institutional affiliations and all. I will write to them, sir, even your authored paper, Even I did an extension study. I want to collaborate with you, just like a formal introduction. I will write it. Then small abstract of the paper also I will send it to him. Once if he asks, he is ready, say flag or something, what happened, then I will send the paper to him. Then through them I will go for the publication. The guarantee of publication will be easy actually, more than Indians. What happened nowadays, they are western people's public papers and all, what happened, easily can get published kind of a thing. So you can also start that way kind of a collaborations. That is very very important. Okay, single person doing a paper, it is not really workable in a current scenario kind of a thing. Okay, so multiple authors, different institution, even they are in the abroad, it will be give you little more advantage. Okay, actually challenges in the AI part actually. So major challenges actually, if you see about the AI and research, actually it's a ethical concern. It's a maybe basically the plagiarism. The plagiarism is one of the big concern. How I can overcome from that, that is a very very important. So that is easy actually. Maybe nowadays, even for example, a lot of humanizing AI and all, they even in the humanizing AI, what I mean, it works with the plagiarisms, work with the algorithm. If you take some 5 words, in between the 5 words, 1 or 2 words, if you modify, automatically the plagiarism will move. But if you take some 10,000 words, in the 10,000 word, each 5 words, if you are changing the words by manually, even it, the meaning and all everything, whatever grammatically, it will go a little bit of a mess kind of a thing. So instead of that, what happened? There is a two best plagiarism humanizing platforms are available, that I will show you today. Okay, just a second. I will stop share here. I will show you that. I think all of you can note down this because this is very very important one. One is this undeductible undeductible AI dot pro. So please don't note down this. It's a kind of a yellow color kind of a thing. Undeductible A dot pro. Previously, it was completely free. Now they are going with the pricing model. But even though you can use one shortcut, maybe that is no need to pay and all. They are giving 1,000 words free. Okay, 1,000 words free. Then only what happen, they will ask you to go for a login, or maybe without login you can use this undeductible AI. It will work beautifully. Only thing is it will take some 30 seconds of time. I'll just show you one content how it works, like that, one paragraph kind of a thing. Now see, the entire AI content, maybe the chat GPT, whatever generated, that we can copy here and we can paste and we can click a humanize. Earlier it was very fast. Now it takes 30 seconds time. Okay. Even once if you log in, the 30-second wait time will come down to 15 seconds kind of a thing. But without changing a much meaning in the paragraph, it will give you the beautiful humanizing content. And one best advantage is it is bypass all the AI detectors. Even for example, your literature, wherever you are using all the detectors and all, what happen, you can overcome that. Even Turnitin is one of the A actually, what happen, A even similarity, both detector kind of a thing used in many places, many publishers and all. 100% you can overcome from that. Now see, this content, what I mean, it is changed. Okay, now this you can use in a best platforms. So this content, if you copy and paste, even second time you are not happy with this, what actually it's provide, second time if you want to humanize, you can humanize. Okay, every time you can see there is an free words are remaining, it will show you. Maybe you may ask that, "Sir, after 1,000 words, what I can do?" That may be the big question from everybody's mind. Very simple. Go to the search history, delete this undeductible AI, again open, again the 1,000 will come. I will show you that also to all of you. Now see, again second time I'm used here. 30-second was a time is available. Okay, so once this is like that, 15 second is there. Just we will wait for at 15 seconds, not much time. It will be second time also you're doing humanizing. Second time it's done a humanizing. Now see, now from the first time to second time humanizing, what happened, you can see the difference of the sentence, words and all in the sentence, what is used and all. Now the word count is what? 846. Now I will go to my history of the Chrome. Okay. Specifically, I'll go to my history of the home. Delete browsing. I will do the last hour browsing. Okay. Delete. I deleted. Now I will refresh this. Now see, you got 1,000 words. So this is a small trick for using this undeductible AI with the every time with the 1,000 words free like that. So please don't go and buy this. Even if you want to buy, you can buy, but the price is like a monthly 400 or for 500 rupees they are charging. If you are affordable, you just use it. But now what happened? It's freely available. The second one more similar like this, but only thing is you need to copy and paste the documents, whatever the content is of maybe paragraph by paragraph. It will accept you maximum like a 300 words, 400 words like that, not the entire document you can upload and get humanizing. Nowhere it is possible. The similarly one more similar kind of thing, it is available that types. I'll just share you. Yeah. That actually is named as a humanize AI.pro. Okay, this place also what happened freely you can use, no need for a login and all. Now even these people also similar like the undeductible kind of a people. This also work little slowly only, but what happened definitely it also giving a meaningful what happened humanizing the plagiarism kind of a thing. So these two are the actually the valuable gift actually. Anybody attend the AI kind of this kind of a FDPs kind of a thing, they came to know about the how they can overcome from the plagiarism, because plagiarism is one of the major kind of challenge everybody nowadays we are what I've been facing. I already told you. Now see, it takes 2 minutes time expected. So because many people are using this, that's why there's a problem with the humanized AI.pro. Undetectable is a number one, actually. Number two, if suppose undetectable is not working, the alternate is the humanized AI.pro. Okay, so please you can copy, take a screenshot of this. Maybe you can use all otherwise, maybe it is available in my blog page, all this information on that, right? I'll just again go back to the PPT. Yeah. So data privacy, maybe that is all basic issues. Okay. Uh, Basic questions. So where we can publish our paper and where we can get quick publications. Okay. That is a question. Maybe I follow generally the 50-30-20 rule actually. Even whenever I write a paper, more paper to the journal focused, and I will wait for some more time to get good responses from the publisher side also. Most of my paper will be focused on journal. So journal only will give you the value addition actually. And the second level, maybe you can try with the conference papers. Conference paper, what I mean, the response will be a little faster. The publication will be makes little faster, but the only thing is you should be very very careful with the conference organizers and what kind of publications and all they are providing you. You should be very very careful. The second is a book chapter. Definitely, book chapter will also nowadays taking a 1 year time, but the publication is guaranteed. But the weightage wise, if you see, all the three will be maybe indexed in Scopus, but the weightage will be very high wherever you go for your promotion or an increment, maybe for a interview, maybe for a next level kind of a thing and all. Journal will give a high weightage actually. So better what I mean, you can try maximum papers in the journal, and the second portion will be the conferences. Third maybe like a book chapters kind of a thing. That level you can go. And question will come, sir, how I can find my journal and all. Okay, so most of the top journals, like if you take about the Elsevier, Sage, Springer, Wiley, everybody they have their journal finder. Once your paper is ready, already I told you the technique of review, how you can match with writing and all. And same time what happened after completing the paper, your abstracts and keywords just copy paste to the journal finder. This journal is actually suitable for your paper. That place what happened, you can throw the papers. Even the Some of the AI like a Trinka and all is available. Even Trinka, it will show you the top three journals. Even the top three journal, maybe based on your abstract, it will tell you how many papers are available in the platform also. Even similarly, the editage. So these two people are whatever they are very beautifully. They are maybe like a AI platforms they are doing. Others maybe whatever I mentioned from elsewhere to MDPI, they are the journal publishers. Okay, these place also you can use it for your research publications easily with the journal oriented. And I will say, already I mentioned this, try with the IEEE kind of papers. Definitely, what I mean, it's a 6 page paper only, not too much, 3,000 words. So, maximum it's required some 5 tables, data analysis kind of a thing and all. Maybe model papers and all, multiple it is available. Even in my blog page, also, I uploaded one paper if you can refer if you want. Okay, so you can get the informations. Mostly the IEEE will be the best place. Quickly it will work. For example, some 3 months before the paper call for will come, before the conference. Suppose conference in the November means now they are calling for, so you can submit your paper now. The November conference will be happen within 3 months. You will like a December, January, and February whatever your paper will be published. Once published means next 15 to 20 days it will be indexed. So in 6 months down the line, suppose you are targeting for a publications means IEEE is one of the best place for that. Now there also what happened, huge competitions are happening. So sometimes you will get a rejections. You need to try with the multiple conference to submit your papers kind of a thing and all, right? So all book chapters and all, everybody, even IGI Global, Springer, Wiley, Taylor and Francis, these people are the top level people in the book chapter publications and all. They are call fors and all, whatever through the LinkedIn or maybe from their website you can get. Maybe the chapters are already they are specified. That whatever you can write for some 10,000 words. Okay, that level whatever you can go ahead for this. But only thing is with the these kind of book chapters and all, indexing time will take little more time. Okay, even similarly with the SSR nowadays, many people are what I mean, once a paper finished, they are not able to publish means they are maybe putting up the SSR as a link. They think that it maybe get published with the SSR and all. Sometime the SSRN will what I mean, a quality paper is not published, they are pushing it for the scopus level kind of a journals and all, and indexing and all, it's take a little longer time. Only thing is indexing, if you want very quick, it may be the, like a IEEE is one of the best platforms. Okay, so quality and control, that is very very important. Once if you complete the paper, at least give it to some 2 3 experts. Even though if you're used AI and all, okay, do the plagiarism check with the Turnitin properly. The research experts is one of the website paid platform. Even no need to go for any institutional to get that and all. It is available there, that you can use it for doing the Turnitin check and all, both AI as well as with the similarity. Now they are looking the two level of plagiarism. One is a similarity. If you referred any other previous articles, things and all in your paper, that they are checking. Second, actually, they are looking about the what happened, the AI content. Even the AI content, even the grammar and all. Suppose you are using the Quillbot or maybe the Grammarly, that content also what happened, they are verifying. It is there. Paraphrasing, if you are done, that shows like a AI plagiarism. Even up to 20% AI will be accepted in all papers. Okay, up to 20%. If it is goes above only what I mean, you need to what I mean, fine tune the paper, that level will come. And AI content, anything if you directly paste in your paper, definitely it will show you that. Better you can use undetectable AI or humanized AI kind of a thing and all. Okay, so that's it from me. Maybe you can start some good research journey and keep writing. Okay, more paper. Then only what happened, ready with the multiple paper. Whenever you are getting opportunity, maybe you can send for publication. That level if you work, it becomes very easy for you. Even if you ask me, even currently what happened, I'm working with 3 different papers actually. Even I'm not targeting any journal, but even what happened, whenever chances when I'm getting, I will send that to the publication kind of a thing and all. So that level we need to do our research journey also like that. Okay, so thanks for listening me for the last 2 sessions. Okay, so any specific questions are there? Maybe for our next 5 minutes, maybe I will answer you all those things.
Sir, good evening, sir. This is Raghunath once again. First of all, I would like to thank you for the explanation for this M model in particular, which I asked for last time.
Yeah, thank you.
And second one is that you were saying like you are preparing for three different topics
Correct.
currently. Could you just suggest few topics that we can actually focus on in the current, so that we will also be able to prepare papers, and whenever necessary, these might be the expected topic in conference or call for publication.
Uh, Raghunath, actually, I will use a trick like this. Even every day, I will get a physical copy paper of the mint in my table. Actually, I will go through the mint paper. Some current topic comes, maybe some with the statistics. That kind of a news article I will pick actually. And what I mean, that article I will maybe I have a maybe I will get a soft version of the paper also. I will just copy that article, work, and I will upload in the chat GPT. Then I will ask, is it possible me to work a research on that? That is a one way of easily we can workable thing. Second, what I mean, any conference specifically comes with any theme. That related article, what I mean, I will search with the specific journal like a Springer or maybe with the Taylor and Francis or a Wiley kind of a thing. So I will mostly try and do some extension studies. So that actually give me the little easy to work for a paper, maybe with